Mastering modal verbs, the magic of must. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English modal verbs. More specifically, we're going to explore one of the primary modal verbs, must. It may seem small, but trust me, it carries significant weight in English grammar. Let's unravel the mystery behind must and learn how to use it effectively in our everyday language. Must is a modal verb. Modal verbs are auxiliary, or helping, verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. In the case of must, it primarily communicates a strong necessity or obligation. Let's look at an example. You must study hard to pass the exam. Here, must shows the necessity of studying hard to achieve the goal of passing the exam. Must can be used in a variety of ways. Let's explore some of the main uses. Expressing obligation. The most common use of must is to express strong obligation or duty. It is used when the speaker believes the action is necessary. Example: I must finish this project by tomorrow. Expressing certainty. Must can also be used to express a strong belief or certainty about a situation. Example: she must be at home now. I just spoke to her. Prohibition. In the negative form, must not, or mustn't. It expresses prohibition or things that are not allowed. Example: you mustn't touch the wet paint. Must is rarely used in questions, except in formal English or for emphasis. It is more common to use have to when asking about obligation. Example: must we attend the meeting? Very formal. Do we have to attend the meeting? More common. While must and have to both express obligation, their use can differ. Must often implies a personal obligation or internal rule, while have to is often used for external rules or laws. Example: I must stop eating so much chocolate. Personal decision: I have to stop at red lights. External rule. There you have it, folks. That's our walkthrough of the modal verb, must. As you can see, must is an incredibly versatile tool in your English grammar toolkit. It allows you to express obligation, certainty, and even prohibition. So go ahead, start incorporating must into your English usage and watch your language skills grow. Remember, mastering a language is a journey, and every step counts. Keep practicing, and you'll get there. Until next time, happy learning!